Ibinahagi ni megastar Sharon Cuneta, ang pagdadalamati niya sa pagkamatay ng isa sa mga alagang baboy sa kanilang farm na si Bacon. Our hearts are crying, our favorite pig in our farm, our Bacon, suddenly passed away. She just refused to wake up that morning, having refused food for a couple of days before then, ani Shawi sa kanyang Instagram post noong ika-4 ng Marso. Aniya pa, we love you, our baby girl. Thank you for the love and happiness you gave all of us, even your barkada, our farm dogs because you forgot you were a pig. The moment the pig is ostracized you but the dogs were kind, that you even learned how to bark like them. We will always remember you and will always love you. She was 13 years old. Run free in pig heaven Bacon, giit pa ni Mega. Marami naman sa kapwa celebrities at netizens ang nagpahayag ng pakikiramay para kay Sharon. At dahil sa pangyayaring ito, pinutakti ng mga netizens ang aktres. Anila, napaka-OA raw at sa dami ba naman umano ng problema sa bansa. Napakababaw raw ng aktres. Hanggang ngayon, ay wala pang tugon si Sharon Cuneta, tungkol sa pangnenega ng mga netizens sa kanya.